bayan, di ba? Nakashoot? 999.
Time out sa laban.
Wala sana. Nalimutan ko lang po.
Sabi tayo boss. Oy.
Pagpala ko, balik na rin eh.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 53 seconds.
Anong time naman eh?
Oh, good. There we go. Jai De La Cruz. Wala. Rebound ng Salapan. Steal. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Coach, pwede ba ako doon? Segway, pwede ba ako doon? Kaso ilalay ilis. Hindi ba ako doon second quarter?
Pwede dito?
Parehas lang eh. Against the light din eh, against the light. Lipat ako doon mamaya, What an extra pass! 9-14. Dito na siya masyadong 16 ba? 16? 12 16?
9-12.
9-12 no? Para layup para sa Kabayanan. Volante for 3, no good. Basket is good. 14-11. Basket, 3-point. Out of bounds. Time remaining, last 32 pa po. Running shot, no good. Iwan by number 5. Number 15 and basket. Time remaining, last 9 seconds. Rafa. Okay, that's the end of our first quarter. Official score 21-11 in favor of Kabayanan Integrated School. Coach, ano ako check lang?
Kapag natabak ko yung bola na out of bounds, iwan mo i-reset. Continuous. Yung shot clock. Oo. Tira. Pilitan na ako magpatay. Gusto mo, balikan rin natin mga balikan rin yung pabila. Mahan. Tayo ng alas 8 pag ginawa ko yun.
Second daw. Hindi ko masyado mabasa yung oras. Ay, yung oras, no?
Hilaw pa.
Pag doon kaya kita ko yan. Session na po at against the light tayo, ha? Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Let's go. Wala. Very good. By jersey number 8. 24-11, out of bounds, and there's a foul rather. Foul number 8. Time remaining. Take a shot, no good. Fade away shot, no good again. Goes to Jai De La Cruz, and there's a foul. Time remaining po. 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Parang 8 minutes lang tayo, no? 8 minutes lang. 10. 10. Volante, pass to De La Cruz, basket. Steal ng Kabayanan, number 22. There's a foul. Pumala po. Pag pumasok ng second po, paddle. Pumala dito pare. Pumala po. Dito po lang. Po lang. Wala. Volante. Basket. Number 30, wala. Basket is good. 8. Wala. Shankel to De La Cruz. Basket. Nice shot. Wala. Rebound. Oy, that's a double dribble. 32-13 pa rin ang ating score. Bola ng Salapan. High pick up, block. By jersey number 3. It's the 3, no good. Wala. Wala pa rin. Rebound dito ng De La Cruz. Wow, i-steal ulit by De La Cruz. There's a foul. Last 38 seconds remaining. Official time po tayo, ha. Pasensya na po at mukhang against the light tayo. Sobrang liwanag. Basket. 37 to 13. Tama na, 37 eh. Oh, still. Volante. Basket. There's a foul, number 3. And that's the end of our first half. Pero may may shooting. 2. Wala. Wala daw po. Okay, end of the first half. Official score 39 to 13. Alright, back to the ball game po tayo. Let's go. Solapas. Take a shot. Basket by Solapas.
Patay nyo. Huwag nyo iwanan yan. Habol! Habol!
Basket count and one by jersey number 29.
Rep, 2 points lang, rep.
2 points, 3 points. 3. 3.
Hindi.
2 points.
Yung tinira, 2 points lang tinira.
Dalawa lang daw po. (41-13). Correction. 18. Out of bounds. Short. Get the save.
Bantay, bantay! Wala! Wala! Nakalikod kayo!
Oh, good. Rebound ng Kabayanan. Uy! There's a foul.
7,
Number 7.
Number 7, foul. Second team foul.
Sub dito. Pumala niya pareha po. Wait lang sir, pag pumasok. Sub. Go, pare. Tawagin mo. Pasok. Malaba coming in.
Pwesto! Kala, pwesto!
Malaba, uy! Steal. Oh, good.
Nice, kuha! Hoy!
Out of bounds.
Bantay na! Bantay!
Bola ng Solapan.
Nice, taas kamay!
There's a foul. Number 11. Ito lang pare po. Sub. Kaya tawagin mo pare. Corpus coming in.
Gumagalaw yung tao gumagalaw.
Ating tayo coach for resettlement of ako lang. Coach, dyan lang po kayo, wag po kayong tatawid dito. Dyan lang po kayo.
Hindi, nagtatanong lang nga po.
Bawal na kayo coach, bawal.
Bantay!
Coach, pag may nagtawa ako, tatawag. Tapos palalapit.
That's a double dribble. Okay, tawag, tawag. Labas na po, labas na, lalabas. Technical.
Sabi ko sa inyo, baka pumasok dito na kayo. Baka ayaw ko nakikita kayo dito na kayo. Yes! Yes!
Okay, technical po ang Kabayan Integrated. Technical na po. Free throw. Coach, yan titira, coach. Yan titira. Ayun na. Basket. Time remaining 3 minutes and 59 seconds po. 41 to 19. Step back 3, no good. There you go. Floater and there's a foul.
Coach, tatlo na.
Ako pa.
Ito ka na.
Ito na shoot mo.
Sa pula pare, pula, pupo.
Tayo sa punto, pasok.
Second shot, no good. Oh, basket is good. Sub. Torato coming in for Shankel Sulapas. Volante.
Hoy, bantay. Tres.
Gets a shot, no good. Out of bounds.
Oh, bantay nyo na. Huwag nyo na iwan.
Bola ng Salapan Integrated. Sa mga kakasyonin lamang po, this is the junior high division po. Sa ating inter-public school. Dito po sa ating dakilang lungsod ng San Juan. Second shot, basket. 22 to 41 po ang ating talaan.
Tres.
Yes, the 3, no good.
Bigay mo na.
Torato to Volante. Volante with a Spinoy step, no good. Oh, steal. De La Cruz to Volante. Wala. Corpus. There's a foul.
Guy, napapasiyan mo. Kanina ko nagpasok ay wala na.
Diesel, kasi sa ano, hindi kalaban pa pwede ma. Bakit pwede ma?
42 to 22, baba sa 20 ang kalamangan ng Kabayanan. Basket para kay Corpus.
Oh, huwag nyo na iwan.
Last 2 minutes sa ating third quarter, but there's a foul by Torato. Basket. Wait lang. Dito.
Saan ka ba?
Dito po. Up and under by De La Cruz. Wala. Uy, no good. 1 minute. Volante to Corpus. Wala. Number 27.
Yan yung pagkabaser.
Basket count and one by jersey number 27.
Shoot ball! Shoot ball! Nice! Huwag niyo iwan! Huwag niyo iwan! Huwag niyo iwan! Nice!
Steal. Still there ng Salapan. Fake. Oh, double dribble. By Viña. Floater, wala. And one by number 25.
Shoot ball! Shoot ball!
Wala ante.
Guys, 69.
Oh! Tao-tao! Tao-tao! Patayin nyo! Depensa! 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 Depensa!
Okay, that's the end of our third quarter official score. 49-24. Lamang pa rin ang Kabayanan. Tingnan natin dito ang huddle ng Salapan. Alright, tayo dadawa na sa ating fourth and final quarter. Tingnan natin kung makakabol dito ang Salapan Integrated School. Back to the ball game. Fourth and final quarter. Let's go. Mercado. Pass to Viña. Steal. Five Volante. Oy, bad pass. Steal. Number 20. Uy, wala. Rebound by number 5. There we go. Drop pass to Solapas. Ooh.
Late call na yun, late call. On! Huwag na, huwag na!
There's a
Labas!
foul.
Layo, layo!
Tawagin nyo na, tawagin nyo, tawagin nyo.
Sulabas, layo na, layo na, layo na, layo. Layo,
Official timeout tayo.
layo.
Unsportsmanlike foul by jersey number 15. Shankel. Solapas.
Tapos apat na yung coach.
That's unsportsmanlike foul by Solapas. line. Or sa lapan. Wala. Basket is good. 25-51. Bola lang sa lapan. Running shot, no good. Rebound. Here we go. De La Cruz. There's a foul.
Sure ball, sure ball.
Basket. Jai De La Cruz. Time remaining 7 minutes and 15 seconds.
Hawak. Press.
Volante.
Bantay, 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 bantay.
Knocks it
Huwag
down.
niyo iwan, huwag niyo iwan.
54-25.
Bantay. Oh, depensa, depensa. Depensa na.
Fake.
Ano?
Steal.
Okay, push. Sino?
Numbers 11. Balaba. Oopsie. Kick ball. Bola ng salapan.
Lapitan nyo, kung hindi kaya, natapap siya. Bantay.
Gets the 3 short.
Hawak, hawak muna.
Rebound. De La
Yes,
Cruz.
baba, baba na. Baba. Kamay na.
Wala, reverse layup. May Mercado.
Tawid nyo, tawid, tawid.
Oh, good.
Uy.
There's a foul.
Nice, 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 nice. Oh, technical oh, nagre-reklamo, technical. Anong quarter na to?
Fourth na. Time remaining 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Bola na ang Kabayanan.
Oh,
Gets the 3 short. Rebound. And
nice.
gets the
Huwag nyo na iwan,
basket.
huwag nyo na iwan. Huwag nyo na iwan. Habol, habol, habol. Depensa.
Oh, good.
Talon.
Short. Rebound. Volante. And there's a foul. By Mercado. Rafa. Shooting on the line. Jersey number 25.
Habol, tama.
KD. Volante. Four minutes and 12 seconds. Oh, basket count and one. There's a foul, number 2. For 3-point play, wala. Rebound by Volante. Out that pass. All the way.
Oh, bantay, bantay.
By Balaba.
Bantay.
Number 29, 4-3, short. Out that pass. 61 ang Salapan. Here we go, number 20. Ooh, no good. Volante, pinasa sa corner, basket. Time out, Salapan. Official score, 61. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Volante, 4-3. Ay, sorry, that's number 3. It's 3-point. Here we go. Basket na naman.
Huwag niyo na pangawalan.
No mercy ang Kabayanan dito. 16-6 to 29. Nakatakas. Oy, out of bounds. to 29, lamang pa rin ang Kabayanan. Number 22, pass to number 8, pass to number 22 from elbow 3, short. Rebound by Rafa. Oh, steal by Torato. Torato, steal.
Pantay. Nice.
Oh, steal. Ayan na, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Oh, sorry, that's foul.
Okay lang yun.
Number 22.
Okay lang yun, okay lang yun.
Time remaining, 2 minutes and 4 seconds. 2 minutes and 4 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laban. Ayan na. Number 46. Sa loob. Fade away. Wala. Oy, sayang. First shot, no good. Second shot, basket. 66 to 30. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Number 22. Pass to number 8. Torato 4-3. In and out. Rebound by number 29. Looking for his teammate. Oh, steal. Number 3. Binangga. There's a foul. Shooting on the line ng jersey number 3. Hindi ko masyado mabasa ang kanyang apelido.
Jump ball!
Oh, good. Second shot is good. Sige po, pulang. Pulang dito pare, pulang. Sub ka pa. Basket para sa Salapan. Number 22. Gets a 3, wala. Out of bounds. Sub. Oh, wait lang kayo, kalma. Back to the ball game. Time remaining. Last 50 seconds. Bola ng Salapan. That's Let's go. Bounce pass. Uy, no good. Short. There's a foul. Sab ka rin, pare. Wait lang. Good, good, good.
Huli!
Oy, bad pass. Up, sub. Tol, sub. Go, go, pasok. Wala na ang Kabayanan. Gets the 3 short. Out of bounds. Substitution. Last 14 seconds.
Bantay, depensa.
Last 10 seconds. Number 29. What an easy basket. Last 3 seconds. 2, 1. Uy. And that's the end of our first game. Our final score, 67 to 34. Congratulations and a nice game from both teams. Ayan. Alright, panalo po ang Barangay, correction. Panalo po ang Kabayanan Integrated School against the Salapan. Okay, magkita po tayo for our second game. Magbabalik tayo.